The 2020 Chevy Silverado key fob uses a CR2032 coin cell battery. To open the fob, locate the small notch or seam on the back. Insert a flathead screwdriver, a coin, or a dedicated key fob tool into this notch. Gently pry the case open. Avoid applying excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic. Once open, you'll see the battery and circuit board inside. This process has remained consistent since the 2020 model year, with no reported design changes by Chevrolet as of 2025. You may encounter slight variations on aftermarket models, but generally the process is the same. With the key fob casing open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the polarity with the plus side facing up before removing it. Insert the new CR2032 battery, with the plus side facing up, into the battery holder. Ensure it's securely in place. Snap the key fob case back together, making sure it clicks shut completely. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to confirm the LED light illuminates and the functions like lock and unlock work properly. If the fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, reprogramming might be necessary via the vehicle's OBD2 port or at a dealership.